Welcome YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you've already subscribed, if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and pause this right now and click the subscribe button down below. Turn on the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. It's your girl Itara Lee and I am back with another video. So it title already give away what this be, but I said it in my last video that I have a surprise for you guys and I won't mention anything about it until I have enough stuff. You know what? Let's get into the video. Your girl started her press-on nails business. Hold on, I need a thumbnail, guys. Focus on that. So yeah, I started my press-on nails business, guys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, so if you know me personally, you would know that I always had a love for nail design, nail, whatever you want to call it. Always had a love for it. I tried to do acrylic nails. It didn't work out, so I said, alright, I'm gonna go try go classes and something to learn about it. But for now, in the meantime, when I was trying to learn acrylic, I always had to press on nails for myself, sometimes for my mother. But me never really take it as no business because I never know the people actually buy press on nails to wear like that. So me start get very popular and me know say, yo, I can do it. Because I've been doing it on myself. So I started it May 1st, which was last week Saturday. Yeah, alright, so basically I'm gonna show you the products that I buy and I have so far. Today is Wednesday and I got another package today. This package was what I collect. I collected this today again. Majority of my supplies are from Glam Beauty Studio. That's a nail supply store in Kingston. Majority of my products are from there. So yeah, thanks to Glam Beauty Studios for, you know, being around to supply me with these. The rest are from Amazon. Yeah, the rest are from Amazon and a place in Santa Cruz called R&R Cosmetics. Yeah. Alright, so let me get right into showing you guys what I have. First, you need the nails. I got this from Amazon. It was in a package together. It came as a deal. So I got 100 tips, full coverage tips with 2 nail stands. I got 2 of this in the package with the nails. And what else am I getting in the package? Oh, my lamp. I bought this lamp from Amazon as well. Yes, I bought the lamp. I bought the stand and the tips. They came in one set together. Alright, I got these are the wooden cuticle sticks. I got them from a store in Junction. In the future, I'm gonna buy the smaller ones. When these are finished, I'll buy the smaller ones because I don't really like these ones. But these are the ones that I found at the moment. So these holographic bags I purchased at 876 Packet. That is on Luxury Plaza in Montego Bay. That's where I got these. They're very reasonable. I like the size because in the package I give thank you card, how to apply card, the nails, wooden stick, and a nail file. I'm gonna start adding the glues in the packaging soon, guys. Whoa, rain start fast, guys. I had to close the door and turn on the light. Let's continue. So I only have one left, but so the mini nail file, the hand brush, nail container, rhinestones, extra long press-ons. This has 500 pieces. A tweezer. Finally got my base coat. I have a gel top coat. I bought, I think I bought 4 gel polishes from them. I'm gonna look to make sure. I think I bought 4. Alright, so I bought 4. I bought the luxury white, fancy blue. I bought one called peach twist. It's here somewhere. I bought one called peach twist. Oh, it was 4 together, but it was 3 gel polish and the top coat. So yeah, that's what I got from luxury. Oh, I also got nail stripes for the nail art. I got a alright, so this is the peach twist. So yeah, I bought these 3 plus the top coat from Glam Beauty Studios. I also bought stiletto tips and medium sized coffin tips. These are extra long coffin tips. So I bought these 3 from Glam Beauty Studios. This was from Amazon. These are the sticky putty that I use to hold the nail to the stand. So I got this off Amazon as well. This is like, it's a foam glitter background type of thing. It comes like a size of a cartridge paper. I bought this from one of my friends. Her name is Paris. She sells these. I'm gonna leave the link to her page, her business page, because she sells these and she sells press-ons as well and other stuff. So I'm gonna leave the link. So I use this for my background, as you can see, the background. I think that's basically it. Oh, I got this. This is I think it's a spider nail gel art. It's used for the art. So I bought this from Glam Beauty Supplies as well. I have another pack of stickers that I got from Glam Beauty Supplies. These are the dotting tools. 3 came in the pack. I bought this from, I think it's called Makeup World in Fairview, Mabay. What else am I get? Guys, I'm even gonna show you the nail polish from me have, because they are utter stupidness, yo. Like foolishness. So I'm even not gonna show you that. I got my business cards and the how to apply card printed at Henderson's in Montego Bay. If you hear nice at the rain start. Yeah. So these are all my supplies that I got to start off. As you can see, I already kick off. I've sold 3 so far. I may have some orders to make. Maybe I'll do a video with me making my order, but I have no way to put the phone to video it. So yeah, these are just some that I have. This is the peach twist color. It's a peach twist color. This is it. This is the luxury blue, and I use the dotting tool with the this is the fancy blue, and I use the dotting tool with the luxury white nail polish to do the design here. This is white. This is some of the stickers that come. I have another pack of stickers and I can't find it. Guys, so that video was recorded on Wednesday. Today is Saturday and I'm just editing the video, and I just found the pack of stickers today, like earlier in the day. I was looking for this pack of stickers for days, guys, and I just found it. So these are Louis Vuitton stickers, and I got them from Glam Beauty Supplies as well. These are some of the stickers that come in that pack. Louis Vuitton stickers and some other brands. This was just me trying something with the dotting tool to make like little flowers and something. So yeah, if you don't have people out there who love press-ons, or if you yourself can't sit down and wait, hit me up. The link to my business page will be down in the description, so hit me up. This is what I had to share with you guys. I had to share it because it's something that I enjoy doing, because as I said before, I actually love the arts. I love nail art, nail design and all of that. I just one day in the future I'm gonna go to class to learn how to do the acrylic, but for now this is my business. So it's a small business. Y'all can support my small business. Yeah, I guess this is the end of the video. I ain't got nothing else to say. Thank you again to I never sure no me buy a RR Cosmetics. So R&R. So what I bought from R&R Cosmetics were more gel polish. I bought 5 gel polish from R&R. So I have the NC T139. It's a lavender looking color. That's the color. Yeah. I thought this was like a silver shiny looking holographic color. When I opened it, this thing was pink. I have a mustard looking yellow. I got a neon looking yellow. It's either neon green or neon yellow. But yeah, I got that. And the last one, I think it's a black. I needed a black to work with. Like, honestly, I needed a black. Could have buy gel polish and not buy a black. I got a tub of purple glitter because I have an order that requires purple glitter on it. So I got that. I got some beads, some gems to put on the nails. I have a packet of stickers. I think this is a lot. No, I have some nail art. It's like some little tiny diamonds and stars and something. It's nail charms. Yeah. And the last thing I got was some silicone pens I used to place the nail art on the nails. You use these ends to rub down the foil. That's when I'm doing foil on the art, on the nails. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna stop buying things overseas now because I actually found places in Jamaica to get them. The only thing is they're kind of on the expensive side. You know, when you go up on Amazon, you can get a deal. So if I say I want a nail container, sometimes I'd get a nail container with some pens and brushes and whatever for like less than what I would pay for the container itself out here. That's the only advantage to this, to Amazon. But I think I'd rather to buy them out here where I know that I can just go in the store and get them the same day rather than wait, because I'm getting orders that require some stuff and I actually need them like ASAP. So yeah, if you're seeing this, you've made it to the end of my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Pick over this to go tell a them friend. If you come over here and support my channel, don't forget if you tell them to support my small business as well. Remember, the link will be in the description to my business page. You guys can hit me up and I can search you out with some press on nails. Yeah, see you guys in my next video.